Among students, now I am teaching 10th class real numbers, logarithms topics. State syllabus. Example 11. Expand log 343 by 125. Okay. So here we know that log x by y base a is equal log x base a minus log y base a. Okay, here given the problem log 343 by 125. Here there is no base. What the common base? 10. Okay, so here we can apply this formula. Log x by y base a is equal log x base a minus log y base a. So that is log 343 base 10 minus log 125 base 10. Okay, next here 343, how you can write 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7, 7 7 ja 49, 49 7 ja 343. 125, how you can write 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 5, 125. Okay, so this one you can write as log 7 cube base 10 log 5 cube base 10. Here we can use the formula log x power n base a is equal n log x base a. So that is here we can apply this formula here. That is 3 log 7 base 10 minus 3 log 5 base 10. Here 3 log 7 base 10 minus 3 log 5 base 10 means 3 are multiple. We take that 3 is taking outside. So by using the distributive property, a of b minus c is equal a into b minus a into c. That is 3 of log 7 base 10 minus log 5 base 10. Okay, so the expand log 343 by 125. How we can expand? 3 of log 7 base 10 minus log 5 base 10. Next, example 12. Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. Okay, so how we can do that? Here there is no base, there is no base, there is no base. What the common base? 10. Okay, so given what the given is logarithm 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. Right, as a single logarithm. So here there is no base, the base is 10. The base is 10. Here we can use the formula log x power n base a is equal n log x base a. N log x base a you can write as log x power n base a. So that is here we can write as log 3 square base 10 plus log 5 cube base 10 minus log 2 power 5 base 10. Okay, ma? Here which formula you can use? Log x power n base a is equal n log x base a. Okay, n log x base a we can write as log x power n base a. Okay, so 3 square how much ma? 9. 5 cube 125. 2 power 5 how much? 32. Okay, so that is log 9 base 10 plus log 125 base 10 minus log 32 base 10. Okay, here we can use any way ma. First we can apply that log x base a plus log y base a or log x base a minus log y base a ma. Okay, so here log x base a minus log y base a is equal log of x by y base a. Okay, no? So that is log 9 base 10 plus log of 125 by base 30 by 32 base 10. Again here we can use the formula log x into y base a is equal log x base a plus log y base a. Okay, so here x is the what 9, y is the what 125 by 32. Okay, log x base a plus log y base a is equal log x into y. Okay, so that is log 9 into 125 by 32 base 10. That is 9 into 125, that is 1125 by 32 base 10. So this total logarithm you can write as single logarithm. Okay, this is the way you can write as single logarithm. Next, example 13. Solve 3 power x is equal to 5 power x minus 2. Solve means you can find the x value. Okay, solve or find or evaluate means to find the unknown thing. Here, what is the unknown thing? X. Okay, so here given 3 power x is equal to 5 power x minus 2. This problem we can do that two methods are there. Okay, first one a power m minus n. How you can write? A power m minus n. What the formula? A power m by a power n. Okay, so that is 3 power x is equal to 5 power x by 5 square. Okay, so 3 power x is equal 5 power x by 5 square is how much more? 25. This 25 divided, it is come this side up multiple. So 3 power x into 25 is equal to 5 power x. 3 power x here multiple, it is going to side up divide. 25 is equal to 5 power x by 3 power x. Here the 5 power is x, 3 power is x. Here we can use the formula a power m by b power m is equal a by b whole power m. Okay, ma. So that is 25 is equal to 5 by 3 whole power x. 5 by 3 whole power x. Now we can apply the logarithms. Apply logarithm. What you can get my here? Log 25 base 5 by 3 is equal x. 25 is equal to 5 by 3 whole power x. For this exponent form, you can apply the logarithm. You can get as log 25 base 5 by 3 is equal to x. Here again we can use the formula log a base b is equal log a by log b. Okay, so this one you can write as log 25 by log 5 by 3 is equal x. So 25 you can write 5 square. Okay, next here log x by y, log x minus log y, that is log 5 minus log 3 is equal x. Again here we can apply that log 5 square gamma. Which formula to use? Log x power n base a is equal n log x base a, that is 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3 is equal x. This is the solve the problem. What the x value? What is the unknown thing? 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. Okay, here we can do that another method. Given 3 power x is equal to 5 power x minus 2. Apply logarithm on both sides. So here log 3 power x is equal to log 5 power x minus 2. Okay, so here which formula can use? Log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. Okay, so that is 3 log x 3 power x comma x log 3 minus x minus 2 log 5. Here 3 power is how much ma x, 5 power is how much ma x minus 2. Okay, here we can apply the formula log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. So when you are using this formula, you can get as x log 3 is equal x minus 2 the power. Okay, x minus 2 into log 5. Here by using the distributive property, b minus c into a is equal b into a minus c into a. That is x log 3 is equal x log 5 minus 2 log 5. Okay, ma.
this minus 2 log 5 comes this one will happen plus. Okay,
so here x log 3 plus 2 log 5 is equal x log 5.
Okay, this x log 3 is going to right side what happen minus. Why we take the right side? The variable term is one side, constant term is one side. Okay.
So 2 log 5 is equal x log 5 minus x log 3. So 2 log 5. In this 2 what the common? X sum x into log 5 minus x into log 3. In this 2 what the common x? X is taking outside by using the distributive property. X of log 5 minus log 3. Here they are asking that solve.
That means to find unknown thing. Here what the unknown thing? X sum. So here x is multiplied with log 5 minus log 3. This multiple comes to happen divide. So that is 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3 is equal x. Example 14 ma. Find x if 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equal log x sum. So this one given
2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equal log x sum. Okay, so here 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9, how we can write? 3 square 9.
okay, 3 square 3 into 3 9
minus log 3 is equal log x. Okay, here 2 log 5. Here we can use the formula log x power n base a is equal n log x base a. Okay, so that is log 5 square plus log 3 square whole power 1 by 2 minus log 3 is equal log x.
Here we can use the formula a power m whole power n
Is equal a power m into
n.
So log 5 square how much ma? 25 plus log 3 power 2 into 1 by 2
a power m whole power n is equal a power m into n
minus log 3 is equal log x. 2 to cancel, that is log 25 plus log 3 minus log 3 is equal log x, plus log 3 minus log 3 cancel. So what remaining? Log 25 is equal log x.
So both sides log is there ma. Okay, there is no terms beside the logs. So approximately log cancel. So then x is equal how much ma? 25. The value of x is 25.